All right, Suelae McCalla, on to the semi-finals. First of all, how does that feel?
Well, it's a good feeling, know that we go past the first hurdle and now we can look and refocus for the semi-final.
Was there any worry coming into this game since it was lock at 1-1? And you knew that
no, there was no worry. There was no worry. All we have to do is just keep focus and do what the coach said, and we do most of that majority of the game. So that's why our quality.
A dominant performance from you guys. Quite a few goals in this game. Are you looking to add on to that in the next round?
Well, definitely every game we look to score a lot of goals. If the chances come, we would love to take all of them.
Finally want to cross it early. I know you have done it already. So, what, as a senior in the squad, what would you say to the junior in the squad, especially at these, I say, a nervous moments for the players?
Well, all I can say, it just started. You know, the most difficult part is yet to come, and we have to double our effort. So tonight, it was a hard-fought game. We have to look now to double our effort going to the semi-finals.
All right, and good game again, and congratulations on to the semi-finals.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Yes, sir.